Hey, what's up you guys, it's Red Mountain King, finally back with another video, and today I'm going to dive deep into why I haven't been uploading to YouTube lately, and also what I've done to my car. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Peace. Oh God, that's a new jump cut. Okay, you guys, sorry about that. The reason why I haven't been uploading to YouTube here lately is because I've been accepted to Tennessee College of Applied Technology, aka TCAT. But I really want to try to work on my YouTube channel and build my channel and just have fun with you guys and just show you my adventures that I'm going on. And hopefully you guys like what I'm doing. I like what I'm doing. I think it's really fun, but enough rambling about why I haven't been uploading. Now it's time to get to what I've done to the car. Hopefully you guys like this. Stay tuned to the end to see my custom paint job. Hopefully you guys like it. Okay, you guys, the first thing I've done was replace these window regulators. These things were so hard to do. This one only took me about an hour, 2 hours. That one over there sucked. It took me a whole day to get that window regulator to work, and it still worked sluggish. That one was horrible. I tried recording it and posting it to YouTube showing people how to replace the window regulator, and I gave up halfway through because that is just a horrible window regulator over there. It sucked. Enough rambling, back to more mods that I've installed. I just got this brand new steering wheel cover that says Red Mountain King, obviously my YouTube channel. Get inside. I obviously have the fuzzy dice because this is a good old grandma mobile that goes really fast. Pre-built sleeper. I got myself some donut scents. Obviously had the black ice trees in there. I've put in these little mats, but they are the worst things. I got these at Bargain Hunt, and God, as you see up here, I've cut it so many times because it keeps getting stuck on my gas pedal, and that is bad. Okay, let's pop this hood. See what I've done underneath the hood. Oh, gotta find it. There it is. Okay, this is a 3800 V6 engine. It's a 3.8 liter V6 engine. And what I've done so far is obviously I've cleaned all this off camera. A little bit of degreaser, cleaned it all up. And I do have underglow on this, but sadly I drove into a ditch and completely cut these wires. So yeah, that's a story for another day. Hopefully in the near future I'll be able to replace the entire underglow lights. These were super cheap ones and the box just gave up on me. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But so far what I've done is I've changed the oil, I've replaced the windshield wiper pump and the windshield wiper blades because they are 20 years old and the windshield wiper pump was seized up. I've cleaned everything up, and yeah, that's about it that I've done with the engine side of things. Now let's go to the paint and the sticker bombing that I've done. This is the paint job at the front. My front bumper looks a little weird, but I have repainted this. I don't know why I painted that. I'm gonna sand that down one day. But I have repainted this entire grille. I've repainted all the bumper pads. And I've semi-unfogged my lights. This one got the worst of it because I guess whenever I bought it off the last owner, it was probably sitting outside and that side was closest to the woods. And it probably had like a bush sitting up against it. As I've installed brand new tires and they are looking clean. Red Mountain King. I have a cool little donut sticker right here from Donut Media. I have a Hoonigan sticker right here. A gas marker, that is my gas cap. I had to replace my gas cap because the little rubber O-ring inside the gas cap was corroded It will end up, one, ruining your gas mileage, and two, it will set off an error system in your emission system, which is bad. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you the mounting points of where I record my videos. I have one mounting point right here. This is my main mounting point. This is where my GoPro Hero 5 usually sits. I have a mounting point right here. That's where my Picasso usually sits. And I have a mounting point right there for the tire angle. That one is a spare mounting point. Okay, you guys, this is the end of this video. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. I'm putting a lot of effort into these videos, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace.